Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is specially for my subscribers or the viewers. Okay, so who are watching the videos and putting the comments as per their requirement. So as per the comments I got from you, okay, here I am doing this video. So based upon your comments or the queries, here I am doing the vacancies notifications for the assistant professor or professor or associate professor. So the candidates who are watching this video, if you're having any queries regarding your career or else your PhD or else any certain guidance if you require, then please put your query in the comment section and I will collect all the queries and I will make one video. Okay, so before continuing my next part of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Okay, so please share the videos to your friends or colleagues who are in need of these such type of vacancies notifications, guys. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a comment section of my YouTube channel guys. So from Ali Khan, good work, yeah, thank you very much. And Jatin, so I'm searching for online tutor job, so how much I need to charge per learner on online mode as per your experience on online tutor, so please suggest me. Jatin, it is as per the economic conditions of the student. Okay, fine. So there is no fixed prices for all these things. Okay, so as per the economic conditions of the students and as per the background of their parents, okay, so you can decide, and based upon the subject as well as the grade also you can decide that one. So hardly you may take 5,000 or in between 5 to 10 I think. Okay, and while coming to the next one, is it in philosophy also, Hussein? Yeah, so actually as per this video made, so if you once go through the video, then at the end of the description box of that video I provided the link. Okay, so if you go through that link, then you will come to know all the details, Hussein. Yeah, I'm just showing you right now. Fine. So see, it is a video, Hussein, and if you just wait, I will pass this one. Yeah. So just click on the show more. Then actually I kept here all my previous videos, and if you go at the end of the description box, then you will find out the links. Okay, Hussein. So if you click on these links, then the official notification will be open up and you may check down whether the philosophy subject is there or not. Fine. Anyhow, it is a way of checking. And coming back to the next comment. Yeah, Shiv Prasad, please tell for online teaching jobs qualification MTech assistant professor. Shiv Prasad, online teaching jobs means, okay, so many online teaching jobs are there. So whether you are trying to do for the school children's or else for the college children's, for college you can go for the Urban Pro website. Okay, and while coming to the school, we are having the Vedantu and Unacademy. Okay, so these are there. So you can go for the online teaching jobs for that one. Okay, and next, Monica, yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos. And coming to the Dipankar Datta, so there is no notice about recruitment in Denkanal Autonomous College website. So kindly help me giving the website link. Okay, Datta, actually few colleges will not put their advertisement notification in their official website. Okay, why? Because so many advertisement I am going through. So few vacancies notification we will get only in the paper advertisements. Okay, not in their official websites. So definitely in this video, as per that Dinakal Autonomous College, I shown the mobile number as well as the mail ID. So you just go through that one, and they ask to send the CV to the mentioned mail ID. So you please go through that one. If you're having still any queries, then please put one more comment. Then I will go deep into that query. And a flying bird, sir, please post assistant professor jobs in Rajasthan. Okay, as per your requirement, actually see Flying Bird here. Northern group of institutions. Okay. So here it is from Rajasthan only. So professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies. Fine. For civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and computer science engineering. Coming to the pharmacy also. Here the vacancies are there. And marketing, finance, HR, marketing and applied sciences, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, PDP and human values. Okay, non-teaching staff vacancies are also there. So if you are interested, then please send your resume to the jobs@nietalwar.com within 10 days. And the shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview. Okay, so this vacancy is from the Rajasthan. And while coming to this one also, I got from the Rajasthan. It is Global Institute of Technology. Okay, faculty requirement, walk-in interview for assistant, associate and professor vacancies in CSC, electrical and electronics, mechanical, IT, civil. So you have to visit the campus between 7th to 15th April 2021, morning 10 to afternoon 3 o'clock. Okay, so please bring your documents along with your resume, eligibility and the salary. Salary will be provided as per the AICTE norms. Okay, so as if right now just I took the two vacancies, one from Global Institute of Technology and second one is from Northern Group of Institutions from Rajasthan. But here Flying Bird, you have to represent what exactly or else which department you want. Okay, so in which department you want the vacancies, fine. So please mention that one, or else what's your specialization. So if you mention your specialization, then based upon your specialization, I can find out the jobs. So you did not mention, so that's why I just picked these two colleges, fine. Next. So music official, PWD का भी apply कर सकते हैं. Yeah, actually I did the NTA vacancies. Okay, so yeah, please go through once notification. I think the PWD, if the vacancies are there, then you may apply, or else you may apply under the general category. And Lalita, please Haryana का colleges की vacancies के बाद. Okay, so vacancies के बारे में भी बात करो. Okay, Haryana vacancies here also I took. I mean, you two have mentioned the specialization, Lalita. Anyhow, I just picked here the two vacancies from Haryana. One is RPS group of colleges. So engineering college require computer science and engineering, civil and management. Coming to the PG college, physics, mathematics, botany, zoology, chemistry, computer science and history. So if you are interested, I mean, if you belongs to this department, then send your resume to the principal@rpsinstitute.org. Qualification and experience as per the AICTE or DGHE norms. And the contact numbers are given here. If you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact these numbers. Okay, and one more vacancy also I searched from Haryana. Okay, that is Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology. So principal and HOD professor in Department of Computer Science, assistant associate professors in Department of Management, and assistant associate professor in Department of Computer Science. Okay, so applications are invited from self-motivated persons with a group mindset, having appropriate qualifications as per the AICTE and the UGC norms. So if you are interested, then please go to the website, that is satyug.edu.in/careers. So please go to this one and you will get the application link and click on that. Okay, so fill up all the necessary details as well as upload your resume if they mentioned. And if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment, it is a contact number, so please contact them. Fine. So these are the vacancies that I found, but please mention your subject. That means in which subject you are looking for vacancies. Fine. Okay, coming to the next one. Jyoti, assistant chemist DSSB का previous year question papers provide करवा दीजिए. So here, actually based upon your requirement, I just found out. So just please once check out. I think it is DSSB previous question papers. So you just search in the Google Jyoti. Okay, so definitely will find out. So I too searched in the Google. Okay, that I got the lot of main things, and a lot of YouTube videos are also there based upon this one. So please once check, and you can definitely you can download more number of previous year question papers. Fine. So just search like assistant chemist DSSB previous year question papers. Fine. So you will get. So search in Google, you will get. Next, Sana offering. So mathematics background and pursuing PhD in uncertainty game theory. I'm eligible or not for this fellowship? Sana, actually it is ICAI a doctoral scholarship. Okay, I did few days back. So for this scholarship, actually UGC NET or GATE is not required. Okay, so on the based of there is no caste discrimination also. But actually these scholarships are for the commerce and the management and account people. So I think mathematics is not there. And Amit Singh लखनऊ के व्यक्ति भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्या? It is urgent hiring in Wipro. Actually I did 2 days or 1 day back. Yeah, it is, work from home and work from office, both these two opportunities are there. So if you are planning to apply for the work from home, then wherever in India you may do, or else you may apply for this one, Amit. And coming to the Vasanta, agricultural students studying PhD are eligible or not? No, Vasanta. ICAI doctoral fellowship scheme also you commented, so no. Okay, so these are for the account candidates, management candidates. Okay, fine. So these are the these are the comments, okay, that I answered today. And if you want any requirement, then please put your query in the comment section, guys. So definitely I will come up with one more video in tomorrow. Fine. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon and share these videos. Okay, and let all the candidates post their comments, guys. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide